Welcome to our comparison of two powerful AMD processors, the Ryzen 979500X and the Ryzen 5 7600X. In this video, we will explore their specifications, performance, and value to help you decide which CPU is the best fit for your needs. Whether you're a gamer or a professional content creator, understanding these processors will guide your purchasing decision. The AMD Ryzen 979500X comes with a hefty price tag of $699, making it a significant investment for those looking for top-tier performance. In contrast, the Ryzen 5 7600X is priced at $299, offering a much more budget-friendly option for gamers and general users. This price difference is a key factor to consider when choosing between these two processors. When it comes to performance, the Ryzen 979500X shines with its 16 cores and 32 threads, making it ideal for demanding tasks such as video editing and 3D rendering. On the other hand, the Ryzen 5 7600X, with its 6 cores and 12 threads, excels in gaming and general productivity. While the 7950X is a powerhouse for multi-threaded applications, the 7600X offers excellent performance for its price, particularly in gaming scenarios. Power consumption is another critical aspect to consider. The Ryzen 979500X has a TDP of 170W, which means it requires more power and generates more heat, necessitating a robust cooling solution. In contrast, the Ryzen 5 7600X is more energy efficient, with a TDP of 105W, making it a better choice for users concerned about power usage and heat output. This efficiency can also lead to cost savings on electricity bills over time. In conclusion, the choice between the AMD Ryzen 979500X and the Ryzen 5 7600X ultimately depends on your specific needs and budget. If you require exceptional performance for professional applications, the 7950X is worth the investment. However, for gamers and general users looking for great value, the 7600X is an excellent choice. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech comparisons.